Welcome to our tutorial on how to find archived chats on Gmail on your PC. Easily locate and retrieve archived emails with these simple steps. Let's get started. Begin by opening gmail.com on your PC to access your Gmail account and messages. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on More to expand and display all your email folders. From the expanded list of folders, select the All Mail folder. This folder contains all the emails you have received or archived. Within the All Mail folder, you will find a comprehensive list of all your emails, including the ones you have archived. To retrieve a specific archived email, look for the email you want to retrieve. Archived emails are distinguishable as they do not have the inbox label associated with them. Easily spot archived emails by identifying those without the inbox label, making it simple to locate and retrieve the email you are looking for. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly find archived chats on Gmail on your PC, ensuring that you can access and manage your emails efficiently. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the convenience of locating and retrieving archived emails on Gmail, streamlining your email organization and management process effectively.